the end of the day cleaning when we're done using it. So you lift this up, and you would get a rack like this. This. And one like this. So the first thing we would do is we would take these out and stick them on the rack. If there's any food in them, you would pull the garbage can over and you would smack the food off into the garbage because you don't want tons of garbage in there. Come over here. 6, 7 parts in here you would take out. And then once you have all the parts out, you would close this back up. You still have water in the machine. You're going to run all the parts through to clean them.
Okay.
If there's any excess food on, like I said, you take that.
Do you spray them before you put them in there, if need be?
If there's excess food on them, yes. Spray it off and then run them through. Turn the dishwasher on like this. They'll come out the other side, clean.
Well, that's going through. Can you show me how to change the chemicals?
Sure. Change the chemicals. You would, of course, you would have the machine off.
Off.
You would just pull this out, and then take the lid off of the new one, stick it in upside down.
Can you do that now, or? Perfect. Okay.
Something stuck.
Okay. Something stuck. You just have to be careful because that water's hot, right?
Yes.
This one's pretty self-explanatory.
Yep. You take this off. You pull this out. You put the new. Take the lid off of this one. The new one. Stick that in there, and it goes right back up top.
And do you collect the little bits and add them all together at the end?
Yep.
Okay.
Stuff is real expensive, so you wouldn't want to waste.
Don't waste it, it's expensive. This is recycling?
Yep.
Do you take the blue parts off?
We try and take them off about once a month to change those curtains, to scrub them, and then put them back in. And I did that already.
And you hand wash them?
I hand wash them with just Dawn water and a scrub brush, or
Okay.
one of those green scrubbies.
Okay, but not a metal scrubby?
No.
Okay.
Okay, so they're all through and clean, so you turn the machine off. And now it's ready to be taken apart and cleaned. So the first thing you would do before you drain the dishwasher is you'll turn off 2 heaters. One is there, and one is here. Once you have those off, you can open up the drain. One here, and one here. Takes a minute to drain, but in the meantime, you can lift this up. Just be careful because it is hot. In the meantime, you could start spraying the hose up here, just making sure all of the food and whatever might be in there, you can spray that off. But like I said, it takes a minute to drain before you can clean anything more.
So you spray everything down,
Mm-hmm.
and then what about over here?
Once this is drained, then you would spray this all. If there's any food on it, you would
Just collect it with your hand and throw it in the trash?
You can collect it with your hand, throw it in the trash, and then you would scrub it with either a scrub brush or one of those green scrubbies. Make sure all the food is off. You would also stick. You can remove the curtain if you want. or you can just stick it up under there and spray it all in here. Make sure all the food is all gone in here.
You're spraying the top, the
Yep.
outsides, and the bottom?
Yep.
Okay. And this staining, water hardness, that's normal, right?
That
they don't
is
scrub
normal.
that off?
No, that's just like a lime buildup.
Okay.
So then once it's all drained, then you can come over here and, like I said, squirt all this up in here off the water
Nozzles up
nozzles, yeah.
there? Okay.
And then spray all in here. It's best to start at the top and then spray down because
That's the way gravity falls.
That's right. So then once that's nice and clean, then you can move on over into here. I would always say to start over there because there is a drain that goes from there and then drains right into here. So if there's any food in there, it's gonna come over to here. So then you come over here and
This is the final clean out?
this is the final clean out. Spray all this, make sure there's no food. You should be able to touch this and come out without any food on your hands from any part of
So you
it.
clean the top of this and
Yep.
underneath of this?
Yep, all under here.
On the back
These
here?
things here can get cleaned because food will stick under there.
Okay.
And if you clean this, it's cleaned properly now. And if you can keep up with this, it should take you 10 minutes to take it apart, spray it clean, and put back together.
Okay.